Morning, Alison Mead here, Alo Ali, on my keto fitness journey. Well, something really strange happened this morning. I like to come for a walk now before I sit at my desk and work all day. Otherwise it kind of gets to the evening and I've not even moved 1,000 steps all day. So what I've been doing is coming for an early walk on my own, just for a mile or so, just around my village, nothing too muddy. And then, because of this lockdown thingy, going for another walk later on in the day with my friend who I bubble with, who's isolating so that we have company, and she's got a new puppy so that my dog can walk with her puppy, but we can't walk too far with her being so young, hence needing 2 walks a day. And this morning my dog just sat in her bed, put the lead on her, she just looked at me. She wasn't coming. So I had a decision to make. Do I just go and sit at my desk, or do I walk anyway without her? And as you can see, I have come out to walk anyway without her. Because just because she doesn't want to walk doesn't mean I don't want to hit my targets. So, accountability 2021. I've got a good friend who does a 1,000-mile walk challenge every year. There's been quite a lot of talk about it in our keto fitness group. And at first I wasn't keen because it felt like an awful lot. You've got to walk over 2 miles every day, or an average of about 20 a week. But actually, on the 1st of January, I thought, sod it, I can do this. And this is what's motivating me to come out now twice a day and not just do my old usual 2 miles. I'm trying to do about 3 miles a day, building up some extra miles in the bank so that if it really is grotty weather or we can't walk, or if you don't feel well, I've got a few miles up, stacked up behind me so I can take a break and a rest day. So that's the first thing. Now, because I've been doing this more walking, and I'm only counting walking outside, what they term boots on miles, but I do have a Fitbit as well. And I noticed on one of the days that although I'd been out for my 2 walks, I hadn't quite hit my 10,000 steps for that day. So I actually set myself a second challenge of also on days where I'm fit and well to also hit the 10,000 steps. So on the day where I had done just a couple of miles walking and only got about 6,000 steps in, I basically put a YouTube video on. I think if you just search for like 3,000 steps in 25 minutes or something, this guy comes up and he just plays good music and gets you just kind of marching, stepping and dancing around the living room, but just with very simple steps, not even like aerobics or anything. It really is just a bit of variety in steps. Now, I think if I watched that video a lot, it would get a bit boring. So I've created a playlist on my Spotify of music that I can't help moving to. And last night, while cooking my keto dinner, I made last night lasagna with beef mince and Edam cheese slices, and then cheese sauce with Edam on the top as well, rather than having pasta in it. While I was making that, I was basically dancing around my kitchen in order to get my steps up over 10k. And just by putting some music on to move to, it just keeps you moving more. Because although I'm now managed to stick just below 11 stone, which is lighter than I've been in years, I know I need to keep the fitness up and keep moving, and that's kind of how I'm maintaining my lower weight. So there you go, accountability. Keep moving, keep active, and set yourself some challenges that mean Instead of just sitting on the sofa of an evening, or instead of just going straight from getting up to going and sitting at your desk all day. So let's face it, we can't get out and about much in this current lockdown, but going out your front door for a walk and an exercise, that's allowed. We can do that. So keep yourself motivated to keep moving. Right, that's me all done. I will speak to you soon. Bye.